Hi people, this is a quick review of our recent trip to Novelty Automation in London. It's about a 5-minute walk from Holborn or Chancery Lane tube stations, or a short bus ride, so very easy to get to, and I encourage anybody who finds themselves in London to check this place out. Twinned with the Southwold Under the Pier show, this is the second arcade in legendary comic artist and engineer Tim Hunkin's Automata empire. Well, that was a mouthful. If incidentally you haven't heard of Tim, you should definitely check out his work, especially one of my favourites, his YouTube series on the secret life of components. The place is packed full of entertaining and whimsical coin-operated machines, all made by Tim. Many include automata, and all of them are mechanical marvels seemingly designed to mock our modern life, or tell a joke, or just tell a story or be fun. There's also sometimes some guest machines, and this time we got to see The Dream by the very talented Paul Spooner. It's free to enter, although you do need to pay 1 to 2 tokens to use the machines. Tokens at the time of this video are about £1 each, although you can get discounts for more purchased. Disabled visitors should note it's a small building built in Tudor times, so the door is small, with all the amazing machines packed into there, space is tight, so please check before visiting. I should also apologise, the camera work is a little shaky and really doesn't do the experience justice. However, I was just quite simply enjoying myself way too much to care. In fact, I got my 6-year-old daughter to do much of the filming while I went and had fun. My favourite machines included the Air Bed and Bug, Test Your Nerve and iZombie.
Only one night left.
Air Bed and Bug is impressive, as it's a collection of smaller automata that play one after another, all rolled into one epic twisted tale about bed bugs. I love how it tells a story, and to properly immerse you, it includes headphones and a privacy screen that rolls down. Now I won't say much more as it might spoil it for you, but I will say it did keep me up that night in my hotel room. Test Your Nerve has you put your hand into a cage with a rather ferocious looking dog. It will growl, pant, and then drool warm saliva, which I assume is just water. Of course, I wasn't scared at all. No, of course. iZombie is a modern take on Space Invaders with some amazing stuff going on inside. Chains carry the zombies towards your character as you use 2 handles to try and dodge them. What's really clever is those zombies have absolutely zero chance of actually hitting your character, as they're all being moved along those chains down below with a mirror making it look like they're all coming at you. The added touch of confiscating your mobile phone probably scared me more than the growling dog, which says a lot about me, I guess. Now, Tim's got some great info on how the machine works and how it was built on his website, so you should definitely check that out too if you're interested. So in summary, this place is amazing. I really want to go back there at some point, and I also want to check out the Southwold Pier. You should definitely go if you're in the area, and if you do go, please let me know in the comments, especially if you had a favourite machine.